Hello, my beautiful hair friends. My friend Kate, and she likes to keep it kind of hippie style. So this is her haircut. You guys saw her balayage the other day. So this is how I part the hair behind the ear. I comb it down, I push it up, it automatically parts. It's easy peasy. So we're gonna do her length first. Now she does wear her hair wavy, natural. It has been a hot minute since she had a haircut, and I know people cut curly hair all different kinds of ways, but this is how I do it. So we're going to go around and cut the perimeter first because she really needed it. We cut about 2 inches off. Here I am using my Hikari shears, and now I'm going to do her color afterwards because I'm cutting quite a bit off. Now I'm coming in and doing her interior layering now, and I'm going to tip cut it, point cut it, whatever you want to call it, potato patata. And now I'm going to do the top section of her hair from temporal lobe to temporal lobe, straight up in the air, 90 degrees from the head, and I'm going to extend that out. Now I'm going to meet that right up in the back, and I'm going to do pie sections around the back of the head, bringing it all to the center point in the top of the crown of the head. Now I'm going to do the back completely different from the sides. So from the back of the ear, shake it out, see how it looks, bring that out. Now I'm going to do the sides to the top because like you only have a little bit of hair right there from the top of the ear to the temporal lobe. And there's the finale, guys. She looks absolutely gorgeous. There's links in the bio, and don't forget to like, follow, and share. Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.